Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekasi.
Hi, I'm Matemba Chauke, the founder and the CEO of Easy Quality Cleaner. So basically this is a shoe cleaner which also consists of a polish. So what this product does, it actually cleans any shoe material, any color. So it cleans inside and outside, and the business was formed earlier this year. So we have been running the business for more than a year. So our services include shoe washes, and it also cleans any other material which is not a shoe, but then like couches, mattress, and kitchen unit. So the reason this business was founded was because I got tired of working for other people. So I wanted to start my own thing and also create job and teach new skills to the youth of our country. So you can find us on Facebook, Easy Quality Cleaner, and then on Instagram, Easy Quality Cleaner 22. I am Matemba Chauke, and I am a Township Entrepreneur.